Bowman draft 2-box Sapphire. Good luck. First break of the evening. Matthew the Killer. What's up, Noah? I think if we all pooled our money together, we could buy the A's. Good luck. Guess the last color parallel for 20 bucks. The player. Guess the player of the last color for 20 large. Got a Tommy Troy. Batanti. Yellow behind Emerson. Not a first. Jacobo Berry. Thank you again to Dale. Gifted me the first color of the break here. The first numbered card of the night. Delgado, Bovee, Alderman, and Espinoza. We have another yellow. This one is a first for the Nationals, Pinckney. Matthew on the kill gets an Andrew Pinckney. First Bowman to 75 and a Braden Taylor base. Goes out to Axios. I think all the Disney is at Backer's apartment. I just found out yesterday that we have a selection auto. The pop room is not even in this office. It's in Backer's apartment. I had no idea. We have Tommy Troy for the Diamondbacks and Sky's the Limit. And Sapphire selection auto and a Max Clark base. Bryce Trett. Mulan. I probably would have known that. Dylan Campbell, Connor Burns, Ethan O'Donnell. And we've gold. First, Reds, Rhett Lauder gold. All sports, nice one. Louders, 28 of 50. There are definitely some categories in the Disney break that I'm not familiar with. Box number 2, got a Garrett Bowman, Brady Smith, TJ Nichols, and Troser. 4 first Bowman pitchers. 6 first Bowman pitchers to start that box, and then a Cole Foster and a Horvath. 8 straight first Bowmans to start the box. I feel like you don't really see that happen too often. Gold first Tigers, Max Anderson. First non-first is how you lead. Anderson for the Tigers, number to 50. Black. Come on. First. Pitcher. Philip Abner. For Sky's the Limit. Gets the auto in box 1 and now gets a black. Abner's numbered 9 of 10. Yellow of Justin Crawford for the Phillies to 75. We got a Waldrop base for Atlanta. Base auto of Brock. Brock for the Fish. Blake Mitchell base and an Emmett Olson. Another big Brock. Dale! Need you to buy all my breaks, Dale. If Dale buys the spot, it just has the luck. It's got the juice. See if we're going to get another parallel here for the guess, or if we already hit it. We got a Rios first, Carico first, and these packs are giving me a hard time right now. And we do have another parallel. It is Luis Almeida. That is the guess. Goes to the Orioles and Chief Keef. It's an all-time line. Abner Black, Anderson Gold, Louder Gold, Troy Selection Auto, got a Clark, Pinkney, a couple more base, and a Brock.